When you step outside at night and look up, you're seeing light that began its journey billions of years ago. Those stars, they feel impossibly far away. But what if they're not out there at all? What if everything that we see, every galaxy, every shimmer of light, is actually inside the wall of something that we can never leave? When astronomers aimed NASA's James Webb Telescope into deep space, they expected balance. Half the galaxies spinning left, half the galaxies spinning right. The data didn't split that way. More galaxies turn the same direction, as if the entire universe remembers one motion. That small imbalance might be a clue that our universe is rotating, not expanding into emptiness, but expanding inside something greater. In standard astrophysics, a black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. Matter compresses towards the Schwarzschild radius, the point where escape velocity equals the speed of light. Beyond that lies the event horizon. From the outside, collapse looks final. And in mathematics, believe it or not, space-time continues inward. So, to picture that, press your thumb onto a rubber ball. The dent, it's not destruction, it's curvature. In space-time, gravity does the exact same thing, only deeper. Keep pressing, and at some point that curve folds through itself. That is where Inverted Stellar Cosmology, or ISC, begins. This theory, ISC, it proposes that every black hole becomes the interior birth of a new universe. Collapse there becomes expansion here through gravitational inversion. Einstein's field equation appears as G mu nu equals 8 pi T mu nu. This means the shape of spacetime equals the energy and matter within it. ISC extends that relationship by accounting for hidden energy at the collapse boundary, represented by phi. The inversion potential, it can be expressed as G mu nu equals 8 pi times T mu nu plus phi. It's a little heavy, right? In plain terms, space-time is shaped not only by the matter and energy inside of it, but also stored collapse energy at the boundary, the energy that turns inward gravity into outward expansion. Now, imagine a pillow. Like what's on your couch or on your bed, a pillow. From the outside, it's whole. Step inside. And when you do, you're going to see its internal structure, a network of spaces, each surrounded by matter. And from within, it feels infinite. Inside that structure are even smaller layers, each with its own boundaries and dimensions. To anything inside of it, that space would seem complete, endless in every direction. It's kind of how ISC frames reality. Each universe forms inside another from collapse. Within each, stars live and die, and their black holes seed new interiors in turn. So between layers, there's a conversion boundary. It's not a wall of matter. It's a threshold where curvature, density, and momentum, they invert. Nothing crosses directly. No light, no matter, no signal. Energy doesn't pass through. It transforms. What was compression in one universe becomes expansion in the next. These layers remain gravitationally paired. A sun here can express as a black hole there. A planet here can have a counterpoint of equal mass and opposite curvature there. Even dark matter may be the gravitational echo of mass across that divide. It's real, but expressed in reverse. The James Webb data shows the galaxy spins, black hole jet alignment, and the pattern of cosmic acceleration all lean in one direction. ISC predicts that symmetry because each universe carries the rotational memory of the one that it created. The Standard Model describes all known forces except gravity. ISC helps close that gap. With the phi term, it links quantum energy to gravitational curvature, energy that seems to vanish and collapse. It reappears as expansion pressure, that same force driving our universe further apart. Everything that collapses creates. Every end of light may be the beginning of another world. It changes how we think about endings. They may only exist from one side. And under this view, the Big Bang, it wasn't an explosion from nothing. It was a transformation, the rebirth of space from collapse. Our universe didn't begin outside. It began on the inside. So, do we live inside a black hole? According to inverted stellar cosmology? Yes. We're not trapped. We're balanced within the structure of creation itself. The same symmetry that collapsed somewhere else allows us to exist here. And within the black holes of our own sky, new realms, they're already forming, each with its own constants, its own energy, its own beginning. And if that's true, then maybe everything that we call life, every spark, every heartbeat, every act of creation, it helps keep the next universe turning. And maybe creation isn't a single event. Maybe it's a rhythm that never stops. These are Interesting Things with JC.